Okay, second grade, today we are going to recall sums for basic facts using properties and strategies. Okay, today it says draw a picture to show the problems. What are some ways to remember sums? Okay, let's do 3 plus 6 equals 9. Let's draw a picture to show that problem. So, well, actually, let's write down the problem first. So what did I say? 3 plus, what did I say? Plus 6. Okay. And then I told you what it equals. So what is 3 plus 6 equal? 5? 9. Okay. So let's draw a picture of that. How would we draw that? Can somebody give me an item maybe, or an object? Okay, but what am I going to do first? 3 circles maybe? 3 circles for the 3. And then 6 circles, right? And then that would be 9, right? So we have 3 circles plus 6 circles. All together equals 9 circles, right? Okay. So should we do 3 plus 6? Should we draw 9 over here? No. Is that what you've done before, or you just have 9? Okay. Just have 9. All right, let's do another one. Let's do 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3. What does that equal? Am I going too fast for some of you? What does that equal? 9. That's a little weird. What's the same about these problems? What's the same, Lena?
There, you just switched it around. You just put 3 plus 6 and then 6 plus 3.
We switched around. These numbers are called addends. Okay? We switched around the addends. 3 was first, 6 was second. This time, 6 is first and 3 is second. And they both still equal 9. And this number right here, the equal number, the number that equals, that's called a sum. Okay? So these two numbers right here are called addends, and this is called a sum. Okay? How can we draw a picture for this? Chase?
6 circles.
6 circles first, right? For the 6. And then what will we do? Kinley?
Put 3 more circles.
And then 3 more circles for the 3. And how many total circles is that? Isaac? 9. Okay, all those together equals 9, right? Okay. Alright, let's go to the next. Is everybody okay?
Yeah.
I'm not going too fast. Everybody has their pictures drawn? Okay. No? Anyone say no? Everybody says yes. Okay. Next page. Okay. Here are some ways to remember facts. You can count on, like 6 plus 1. What's 1 more than that? Everybody? 7. 6 plus 2, 7, or 2 more than 6 is, everybody? 8. And 6 plus 3, 3 more, everybody, is 9. Okay. Or you could change the order, right? Changing the order of the addends, these two numbers, does not change what it equals. Okay, do you see that you usually have the addends on the left side, right? And the answer is usually on the right. Okay, what did they do here? They switched it, right? The addends are on the right side, and the answer is on the left. That's okay, alright? You're still adding. You're just doing 6 plus 2. We did 6 plus 2 right here, right? What is 6 plus 2? What does it equal? Jason? It equals 8. So they still have 8 right here, right? Okay. It's just switched around. Okay? So don't get confused with that. It's just switched around. That's all. And then they have 6 plus 2. The add-ins are switched again. 6 is first this time. And 8 is still this answer. Okay? Alright, so let's do share and show. I usually have you guys do this with partners, okay? I know Mrs. Wagner didn't do that, but I'm going to have you do that, okay? I'm going to have you do this with a partner. We'll do number 1 first together, though, okay? Alright, so number 1, we have 2 plus 2. What does 2 plus 2 equal, Grayson? 4. And then we have 2 plus 3. What does 2 plus 3 equal then? 5. Okay. Am I going too fast?
No.
Okay. I want to do one more just to see. Let's do number 4 together. Okay? Number 4. What is... Now look at this. You have the blank at the beginning. That's different, right?
Yep.
But all we're doing is we're still adding. We're just looking at these two numbers, okay? 4 plus 4. What's 4 plus 4 then, 8? 8. So you're putting the answer at the beginning instead, okay? But it's still the same answer. It's still be the answer even if it's on the right side, okay? All right, and last one, 4 plus 3. Who have I not called on somebody? Matthias, I haven't called on you? Okay, Matthias. Yes. If you look at here, both of these are 4s, and this is a 3. 3 is 1 less than 4, so the answer is going to be 1 less than 8. 7 is 1 less than 8. Okay, I'm going to let you work with a partner. All right, boys and girls, we have finished this one with our partners. I had you do the on your own by yourself, so you can, that's done. And now we're going to do problem solving. So everybody get your problem solving page out. If you have already worked on it, that's okay, except for God to tell you not to do it. But just check your answers with us, okay? All right. So problem solving, it says solve, write, or draw to explain your answers. Okay, so let's all read this problem together. Roger builds 4 toy airplanes. Then he builds 3 more toy airplanes. How many toy airplanes does he build? Okay, so the first sentence says he builds 4, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what can we do to show that? Lena?
Draw 4 circles.
Okay, so draw 4 circles, boys and girls.
And then draw 3 more.
Okay, so the second sentence says he does 3 more. More means you need to add, right? Okay, so we need to add 3 more. Okay, so we have 4 circles plus 3 circles. How many total circles is that then, Lene?
7.
7. So then we have our answer of 7 toy airplanes, right? Okay. And luckily they do your labels for you. All right, let's do number 27. Everybody ready for 27?
Yes.
Everybody read it with me?
Yep.
Joanne made 9 clay bowls last week. She made the same number of clay bowls this week. How many clay bowls did she make in the 2 weeks? Okay, now this up here says write or draw. So instead of making 9 circles like we did up here, let's just do the number. Will that work for you guys?
Yes.
Okay, so 9 for last week, right? 9 clay bowls for last week. And then what does the second sentence say that she did 9 this week too, right? So that's 9 plus 9, right? Okay, now that's a double fact. What is 9 plus 9? Chase?
18.
18. So you can write your answer of 18 clay bowls. Okay. In 2 weeks, you need 18 clay bowls. All right, now we have a hot problem. You guys can do it, it's okay. Let's see what it says. Sam painted 3 pictures. Ellie painted twice as many pictures as Sam. How many pictures did they paint? Okay, let's draw a picture on this one because it's just 3, right? So let's draw our circles. So Sam, I'm just going to write an S for Sam. He painted 3 pictures. So I'm going to do 3 circles. Okay? What does twice as many mean? What does it mean, Isaac? Twice as many more. But how many more do you think that means? What's twice as many as 3? Okay, let's think about this. When you hear twice, what number do you think of? 2. Okay, you think of 2. Now, that doesn't mean you draw 2, though. That means you draw 3 2 times. Okay? We draw 3 circles 2 times for Ellie. Does that make sense? So Sam had 3, twice as many of 3. That means you draw 2 3s. So 2 3 circles. Now, how many total pictures does that mean that there are, Gracie?
9.
9 total pictures. Okay, and I want you guys to do 29 by yourself. Okay? Because I think that's something that you should be able to